Let's go shopping with our cash register. The first thing we need to do is turn it on. On.
May I help you?
We are going to put in our employee's card right here.
Hello, cashier.
Now we can start checking out our food. Let's scan our food.
Milk, $4.
Let's put our milk in the basket. What else do we have?
Apple, $5.
Let's put our apples in the basket. What else?
Chili, $1.
Let's put our chilies in.
Bread, $2.
Let's put our bread in the basket. Ooh, what are these?
French fries, $9.
Okay, let's put our French fries in. What else do we have?
Grape, $8.
Okay, let's put our grapes in. And we also have
Bananas, $7.
bananas. Let's put our bananas in. And we have next.
Carrot, $3.
Let's put our carrots in. And this one is,
Fish, $10.
let's put our fish in. And our last one,
Egg, $6.
okay, we have our eggs. Let's put our eggs in. Now we are finished, so we need to pay. When we check out, we can pay with dollars, $1, a $5 bill, or a $10 bill, or
Total is $55.
Or-
Please swipe your card.
or with a credit card. So let's slide our card like it told us.
Please enter your password.
Now we will enter our password. It's printing our receipt.
Okay, thanks for coming. See you again.
And if we have any change, the drawer will open and the cashier will give us our change. The end. We finished.